I'm 33 years old, digital marketer and business owner, and in the past 12 years, my only job was to create and scale online businesses from zero to thousands of dollars in revenue. And today I'm gonna be showing you 5 of the laziest ways to make money online. And in fact, some of these ways I've set up 5 years ago and they still keep making me money till this day. And I'm pretty sure some of you down in the comments below will say, hey Ross, this is cool, but these methods are not lazy enough. Is there a way I can just click a button and make a ton of money, like magic? Well, it's not that simple. Today I'm going to be showing you real ways of making money online and the laziest ways to make money online. Because for me, a real method is something that has high leverage, meaning that you have to set up the system once and then the system will be bringing you money on autopilot every single month. Now, even though they require some work in the beginning, in my opinion, these are the best business methods or online ways to make money, like I said, because they have high leverage and they're going to be bringing you passive income every single month. These methods will not require you to create a course or to create your own products or to find a manufacturer. Don't get me wrong, these ways work, but they do take a lot of time and they require some work. And I'm also not going to go into methods that generate just a few bucks per day, because I think once you devote some work and time to set up a system to create a business, the harder the leverage, the better. Meaning if you spend some time to create a business, this business better bring you a lot of leverage. And I believe that's going to be the same case with you. You would want something sustainable, something that will be bringing you money in long term. But if you are into quick bucks, if you want to make quick money today, you can go to a website called swagbucks.com. You can watch some videos, you can play video games, and you can complete online service and get paid a few bucks every single day. Or on the other hand, you can go to a website called voices.com and become a voiceover artist. There are projects and people out there that need voiceover artists, so you can become one and get paid a few bucks per day completing these type of projects. Or you can go to a website called smartlink.com and become a translator. It doesn't matter which country are you in, Arabic or in Europe. There are people out there that need translation services. So smartlink.com is a website for translation projects. You become a translator and you can get paid a few $100 every single month. Now, again, this requires a lot of time on your side, and also the leverage is very small because you're going to get paid very small amount of money. And finally, as soon as you stop doing these methods, being translator, voiceover, or completing online service, the money stops. So now let's set up something sustainable. Let's get into real ways to make money online. Lazy method number 1 is using a website called vervedirect.com. This is a website where you can find multiple different exclusive products, e-com products, that you can promote and make money with them. Why I'm saying these are exclusive products? Because you cannot find them anywhere else. You cannot find them on Amazon, you cannot find them in Walmart. These are products exclusively made for vervedirect.com. The model they use is called CPA marketing, cost per action. Basically, you take one of their products, promote it, and you're going to get a chunk of the total revenue. For example, let's say a product costs $40. They'll give you 50, 60, and even 70% of the final sale. So if you get just $50 and the product costs $40 to the customer, you're gonna get paid $20. The products are only physical products. And the good part about exclusive products on this network is that first, you don't have that much competition. And probably right now you're thinking, hey Ross, that's cool, but you said these should be lazy methods and now you want me to promote these products. In just a few seconds, I'm gonna show you how to pair these products or network with a lazy traffic source so you can automate all of that. Now, CPA marketing stands for cost per action, meaning you get paid once a customer buys the product. The beauty about this model is that you're not getting affected by refunds. What I mean by that is, once a customer buys a product, let's say you create your own product or your own course, or you're promoting someone else's offers, affiliate offers, every time someone wants a refund, a customer is not happy with the product, the network or you have to refund the product, you have to refund the money to the customer. Whereas with CPA, affiliate marketing, and Verve Direct, this is not the case. You are never ever getting affected by refunds. That has its cons, which is the revenue is very small. Like I said in the beginning, you're only gonna get paid $20, $30 per sale. On the other hand, if you wanna get paid much more, and this is, in my opinion, this is the right way to do it, because like I said in the very beginning of this video, once you put the work, you want to have high leverage of your work. We're coming to lazy method number 2, which is using a website called clickbank.com. This is an affiliate marketplace where you can find different products, affiliate offers that have higher payouts. Most of these products and offers on ClickBank are digital products, which is pretty good. But now the payout for these products are much higher than Direct. You can get paid $50 to $100, even $200 per sale. Now, here you're getting affected by the refunds, but as you can see, the risk is higher and the leverage is higher. The beauty about ClickBank is that they have so-called affiliate support page, and this is dedicated just for you to help you market and promote the products or the offers on the ClickBank platform. You can find different marketing materials such as videos, landing pages, copyright text, emails, images, etc. This is purely created for you, the marketer, to better promote the product and to make more money. Because in reality, if you make money, ClickBank makes money, or the ClickBank vendor. So it's a win-win situation. And one of the most important metrics on ClickBank is called gravity score. The gravity score tells you how much a certain product or offer is making, or how is performing among the entire marketplace on ClickBank. For example, if the gravity of one offer is 40 and another product or offer is 100, then the 100 gravity indicates that this offer makes a lot of money to its affiliates or the marketers. Now, if you want to make even more money, what I recommend is going out of ClickBank and finding other affiliate offers that pay you higher amounts. For example, Commission Jumpstart is one of my courses where I teach people how to make money on ClickBank. This course also have an affiliate program, and you can make $150 per conversion, meaning every time you make a sale, I make $150 and you make $150. This is 50% commissions, which is way higher than some of the offers on ClickBank. On top of that, you don't have to create your own course, and you have the opportunity to benefit from 10 years of experience on ClickBank, because I've been on ClickBank for 10 years and I put all my knowledge inside this course. So not only you're going to make money, but you're going to promote a very authentic product that will help other people to make money on ClickBank. Why I'm so confident in my course? Because my refund rate is almost zero. I have just few refunds, and this is because not people not liking the product, but because people have some obstacles with their families and I had to refund their money. And if you're wondering about what are the biggest niches on ClickBank or what offer you should pick, the three most important niches on ClickBank and actually in the entire digital marketing space are health and fitness, make money online, and DIY, do it yourself. Health and fitness is because people will always want to be healthy. There is no one in this world that can say, hey, I don't want to be healthy. There are people out there that they will always want to get fit, be fit and looking good. And make money online and finances. People will always want to invest money, make more money, and become financially independent. So these three categories are one of the biggest categories or niches on the ClickBank platform. So now how do you bring people to these lazy methods that I'm just showing you? This leads us to lazy method of making money online number 3, which is YouTube. And as you can see, this is one of my YouTube channels that you're watching right now. One of my recommendations is you start a YouTube channel, but not any YouTube channel, faceless YouTube channel. And it might seem like a lot of work. You might be camera shy. You might not have the equipment that I have, but guess what? If you go to my channel, in the beginning of when I started this channel, I only showed my screen. I was recording my screen and I was using a gaming microphone, and I was just showing people what I do in my affiliate marketing and ClickBank job, because I'm an affiliate marketer. This is how I started my journey. So basically, I was just recording my screen with a voiceover. This is my voiceover. And if I, not an English native speaker, can do that, there is no excuse for you, because I had to learn how to speak English. English is not my first language. I grew up in an Eastern European country. I didn't know English up until my 20s. I started learning English when I hit 20. So there is no excuse for you not to do it. And if you're wondering how the entire setup works, you can go on Google and type free screen recording softwares. You just download one software for free. For example, I use QuickTime. If you're using a Mac computer, QuickTime comes pre-installed on the Mac computer. You can use it for free to record your screen. And if you don't have any mic, you can even use your phone, because the microphones in the phones are pretty good nowadays. So you don't have to invest in microphones as well. Now the question arises, what kind of videos you should make? Well, that's a good question and a fair one. My suggestion is go with something that you already like and you already practice. For example, when I started my YouTube channel, I started showing people my digital marketing skills, because throughout the years I've built some skills. Now that doesn't mean you have to do the same. For example, let's say you're a skier, or you like to snowboard, or you like to mountain bike. You can show people how to better ski, another technique, or you can show people how to mountain bike. And don't think you're not worth it, because this is me in the beginning. I actually was thinking that I'm not good enough, I don't have anything to show. But guess what? The only thing that you need to show to people is 1% more than what they already know. So if you know 1% more than me, you can show me something and I would still watch it, because I will learn something new. But if you don't have any hobby, or you don't have any interest, and you don't know what kind of videos you can make, if you go back to ClickBank, pick an offer that is related to you. And now once you decide on a channel topic or a channel category that you want to create, let's come back to my channel. I'm into digital marketing. So what you can do, let's say you are not into anything, but you want to learn something. What I recommend is learn how to use a bunch of softwares and just start showing your screen how you use the softwares. Guess how many people type in YouTube how to use Microsoft Word, or how to use Microsoft Excel, or how can I use my Windows, or how to find a folder on my Windows. These are topics you can research on YouTube. And I use an extension for YouTube called TubeBuddy that tells me how many searches a certain keyword or topic is getting per month. What I recommend is you go with a topic that has at least 50,000 searches per month. Now, once you start creating these type of videos, you can insert your links, your affiliate links inside the description of the videos. So this is how you're going to start bringing traffic to your ClickBank offers or to other products that you're promoting. Just pair these products, like I said, software or courses, with YouTube traffic. On top of that, YouTube will start paying you money for making videos. This is called the YouTube monetization program. So you have two ways of making money by creating a faceless YouTube channel. And here's a bonus tip. If you don't want to create a YouTube channel, I'm also using Facebook ads to drive traffic to different offers from ClickBank, Verve Direct, and my own course. And you can go to facebook.com/ads/library. And there you can see how other people are promoting different products and services. You can copy them and create your own campaigns. Now, don't copy them word by word, just take them as an example and create your own campaigns to promote your own products and offers from either Verve Direct, ClickBank, or my course, or whatever you get your hands on. Once you start bringing traffic to your affiliate offers or to your offers, either with Facebook or YouTube, then what I recommend is you create a simple opt-in landing page. Opt-in landing page is a page where people go there and you collect their emails, which leads us to lazy method number 4, email marketing. I cannot stress enough how important affiliate marketing is. Once you start generating traffic, you should start collecting people's emails for 2 reasons. First, let's say Facebook doesn't like you anymore and bans your account. Same with YouTube. YouTube decides they don't like you anymore, and this happened with me. Facebook disabled a lot of my accounts, and when they did it, I lost my traffic. I didn't have traffic to bring to my offers or to bring to the ClickBank offers, so I was stuck. What I started doing is collecting people's emails, because once I have people's emails, even if Facebook bans me or YouTube disables your account, I could still promote different offers and services to my email list via email marketing. Now, probably you're wondering, hey Ross, this is cool, but this sounds kind of complicated. It does, but it's not. Because in reality, you can use a website called clickera.com. In this website, you can literally create a simple landing page with drag and drop that will collect emails. Of course, you have to offer something before you ask people for their email addresses. For example, you can offer them a free video, a free ebook. And if you're wondering how you can create an ebook, you don't even have to create the ebook. You can go to a website called idpaward.com and grab royalty-free ebooks and just put it on your website. That's it. People download the free ebook, they're happy, they leave their email address, and that's it. So you have your audience, not only on Facebook and YouTube, but you're also building your audience on your email list. So you can later on promote them different products and offers, and also you're not getting affected if YouTube or Facebook bans your account. Now, what I recommend after you start generating some money is to start investing them in something bigger, to start making more money, which leads us to lazy method number 5, using a website called flippa.com. This website is a marketplace for you buying websites, apps, and entire businesses. Yes, once you start generating enough money, the next step you should do is to buy an entire business or buy an entire website. I know this kind of too advanced, but trust me, once you start generating money, it happens pretty fast. So you have to know what to do with your money, because this was my mistake back in the day. Instead of me investing them in something bigger, I actually start spending them. So don't start spending your money, invest them into something bigger. On Flippa.com, you can go and buy websites for as low as like $1,000, $2,000 to as high as $1 million, $10 million, $15 million of websites. Another benefit of using Flippa is that you can not only buy a website, but you can become a business partner. Let's say you don't want to just buy a website and then wondering how to manage the website or the business. Then there's some listings on that website for investments and business partnership. So you can go and you can try to find a listing that only asks for partnership or partial investment. So you're not only gonna get an entire website or entire business, but you're also gonna get a business partner, which in my opinion is the best thing you can do. I've scaled my businesses only with business partners. There is no one single guy that created something out of nothing and became. Elon Musk had business partners, Bill Gates had business partners, Steve Jobs had business partners. If you want to succeed, you need a business partner. So Flippa.com is a great place to find a business partner with already working business. So you're getting two benefits out of this website. Congratulations on learning how to start your first lazy business. Now, what your next step should be is to execute what you just have learned. Pick one of these 5 ways, start setting them up. But if you need more help on deciding which business model is best for you, click the first link in the description where I'm gonna walk you through one of my most favorite business models that is making me $10,000 on a monthly basis.